Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk
Well,
some.
hey family, happy Tuesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I'm getting ready to make a necklace using this pendant. I made this pendant maybe a week ago. Could have been longer, but maybe a week ago. And remember, I made it, actually painted it and put it together using those wood slices. So I'm getting ready to make a necklace out of this morning. Happy Tuesday. I hope everybody had a really good start to your holiday. Got the chance to spend time with the family and eat up a bunch of stuff, maybe rest a little bit and do all that good stuff. I can't even see this morning. Look. I did pretty good. I did pretty good in the sense of hanging out with family, and I didn't eat very much. And I did the best that I could to stay away from the sweets. Here lately I've been wanting like a lot of sweets, and I'm sure that has to do with with age. When you get a certain age, you kind of want to dibble dabble in sweets and carrying on, but I'm trying to control that, and then plus to do my, this wire is just not acting right this morning. Let me see. Let me take it off and put it on the other way. And you know how the wire could be. It could definitely be fussy. I'm gonna try this and see if that'll work out. As long as I can get it beaded, I'm good. So let me do this. I'll just hold on to it. I'm gonna use a couple of the little Buddha heads to start it. I'm thinking that'll add a nice little touch at the bottom down there. I thought I had some gold Buddhas, but I don't. So I'm gonna probably order some of those so I can get that look right here at the bottom. The man is out here doing the yard. Everything is back to normal. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll put some coconut chips. I don't like the way this wire is acting. Let's put two, maybe three. You guys know I love me some coconut chips. Three. Oh, let me see how many do I have. Two, three. Oh, let's put one of these. Four. Oh, I'm gonna put the bigger one on the bottom. One, two, three, four. That's five, six, and seven. And we're gonna put them on each side. Hopefully you guys can see this. So we're gonna start with the brown. Somebody asked me where I got these coconut chips from. I usually get these off of I have ordered some off of Amazon, and that link is in the description down there. And these color ones, the ones I'm using right now, I got off of Etsy. And I'll put that on there like that. I already like the way that looks. And then I am going to use some of my wire spacers. So I'm going to put one here. And it don't take long to put something together, especially when you know what you're going to, the supplies or pieces you're going to use. It don't take a whole lot. It's basically just getting the supplies together, what you plan on using. I'm going to use some of these painted beads right here too. And I'm going to use two different colors. I hope you guys can see that. You can probably hear the guy outside doing the yard. Hopefully you can. He out there bright and early. So that's how that looks so far. That's really pretty. I was doing some research the other day looking for African beads. If you guys know a vendor that sells some really pretty African beads for a decent price, a reasonable price, let me know. I did find a couple of vendors. Let me see if I want to use this right here. Oh, and then I was going to put some yellow beads on here too, because I want some of the African beads. There's a couple of designs I want to try out with those beads. So I'm putting some more wire spacers on here. And then I'm going to go back to my orange. And that's what we got so far. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Very pretty. Just all the colors. And then let's put one on this side. And then I'm going to do a couple more yellows. To start finishing it off. And then we'll put a couple more of the... I like these little beads. It's not a whole lot going on with them, but it's enough going on with them. And this is what I'm going to finish them off with. The orange beads. I hope everybody got some really nice gifts and stuff. I was having a conversation with somebody. I did good. I got gift cards. I got body washes. I got cash. I got, what else did I get? Oh, I got a really nice electric toothbrush little system. I got, oh my God, what didn't I get? A lot of body wash stuff, feminine stuff, oils and all that kind of stuff. So I did pretty good. My people know what I like. I like this. Look how pretty that looks. And I do like it right here with the Buddha. Wait, I got a hair right here or something. With the Buddha right there. So it's not really open. There's space right here, but it's not open like something is missing. Because you know how sometimes you can have this space like with this one. That's going to be a lot of space because when it hangs, it's going to be, oh, you know what? When I do use this one, I'm going to wrap something around here to cover the space. But I don't like all that space right there. But I do like the way this looks. That does not look bad at all. And I like the way the strong beads look with the pendant. Everything matches really good. And I'm going to put 2 more beads on here. And see, it don't take long at all. I mean, just when you know what supplies you're going to use, it don't take long. I really like this. And then, of course, I'm going to close it off with some, what do I got over here I could use? I need just a small bead. I got some little bitty orange ones in here, some 8mm. So I'm going to use these whoopies right here to close it off. And I usually put a smaller bead right there to prevent the wire or anything from happening. Because if you look at it, of course, beads have holes. And I could wrap it, close it off and then wrap it and then the wire be on top. That's cool too. But I want security, like when I be making pieces. I want it to be very secure. So if I put a small bead that literally covers the hole, I mean, that's even more security. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold one side, fold it over, and then wrap it until so I can get to the other side. And I be polishing my little nails. My little nails just don't be lasting. Poor babies. They just don't be lasting at all. They look so cute when they're done, but they don't last. So I'm going to, you guys already know how I do this. I'm going to take the wire. I'm going to fold it over. I pinch it and fold it over. And then I'm going to just start wrapping it to get it closed. And I do like to take my wire down, wrap it around the bead. and then bring it back up. That creates even more security for the piece. And I'm not going to use this whole wire. I don't waste wire, so when I cut this wire, I can use this for those little charms that I make, the little custom charms. And that's what I'll use it for. So I'm going to take the end of the wire, just roll it, and I'm going to roll it right into the inside and close it down. I don't feel anything. I don't see anything. And then I'm going to take the other side. I did that side pretty good. I might not even have to take it loose. You see how the hoops look about the same size? So I'm not going to even take it loose. I'm going to just go ahead and wrap it because I did pretty good with that. Sometime I'll make it too big and I have to unwrap it. So all I'm doing now is wrapping the wire. And then I'm going to take the wire back up. That creates more security. I'm trying to do this where you guys can see it. So I'm going to just do this like this. And then wrap it. Take it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and clip it now. About right there. I'm going to roll it. It meaning the end of the wire. And I'm going to roll it right into the inside of that. And then press it down. And I don't want to feel nothing. And I don't. And sometimes it can be a little tight, a little stiff. And all you got to do is push up from the bottom one of the beads. And you can't push too hard because what will happen is this part up here will get loose. And it'll start to look tacky. You don't want that. So let's see. My jump ring's at. So for now, I'm going to just close it off. I am going to put a lobster clasp on here, but I'm going to make some other necklaces too, and then I'll close them all off at the same time. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, this is jazzy. I'm gonna have to get another taller display. Okay. This is what we got. Y'all let me know what you think about it. It wouldn't be nothing to make a pair of earrings and then use 2 different beads for the earrings. And I probably would do that. But I like it. You guys let me know what you think. I am digging this part right here with the Buddha heads. I really like the way that looks right there. So I think I'm going to be doing this again because I really do like the way that looks right there. I really love the way the pendant came out. The pendant came out really nice. I was really surprised when I was done with it. And we got a coconut chips. We got our little aluminum wire spacers and our painted beads. I am going to make some earrings out of it. I could see some big, nice earrings. And then I may even make a pair where it's 3 of the beads. So you got 3 beads or 2, 1 of each bead, and then a wire spacer for the earrings. Something big and bold and pretty. But anyway, this is the necklace for this morning. You guys let me know what you think about it. And be sure to have a good day. And we'll talk.